What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Meet in desktop PC. So here, first of all, open Google Chrome browser and make sure you are logged in. Here you can see I have logged in. After that you can see Google Apps menu option in right corner. Click on this menu option and then scroll down to find out the Meet. Just click on this button. So basically we use Google Meet from this page. So you can install this in your desktop. You can see install option. You can click on this button to install this Meet in your desktop, and also you can click to three dot menu and then scroll down. Now click to cast, save and share. From here you can see install Google Meet. Just click on this option. After that, make sure to install this. That's it. You can see here is the Google Meet. You can install Google Meet using this method in your desktop PC. See you in the next video. Bye.